Welcome to Technoland Expert. This video made for advertisement purpose used Shopify framework and 1000 CTR is possible at a time. Marketers identify what resonates best with their audience and improve campaign performance over time. Another critical advantage is cost efficiency. By reusing approved templates instead of commissioning new designs for each campaign, businesses save on design expenses and free up creative resources to focus on innovation rather than repetitive tasks, which is especially valuable for smaller companies with limited budgets or large organizations running multiple campaigns simultaneously. Templates also serve as a training tool for new team members, providing a visual guide to the brand standards and reducing onboarding time. On the customer side, seeing a consistent design language across all marketing channels builds familiarity and trust, making the brand feel reliable and professional, which directly influences purchase decisions and long-term loyalty. In a crowded marketplace, where attention spans are short and brand switching is easy, such consistency is a major competitive advantage. Additionally, product templates enable marketers to plan campaigns more strategically, as having a set framework allows them to focus on content, messaging, and targeting rather than reinventing the visual structure each time, resulting in higher quality, more coherent campaigns. They also provide measurable benefits by making it easier to track which template variations drive the best engagement or conversions, turning creative assets into data-driven tools for continuous improvement. Beyond immediate campaigns, templates contribute to long-term brand equity by ensuring every interaction reinforces the same identity, tone, and promise, creating a unified brand story that resonates across time and markets. This combination of speed, efficiency, error reduction, scalability, and consistency is exactly why product templates are not just convenient but crucial for marketing success. They transform the creative process from a fragmented, time-consuming task into a streamlined, strategic system that empowers teams to deliver high-quality, on-brand content quickly and repeatedly, which ultimately increases market responsiveness, customer trust, and business growth. In essence, product templates act as the backbone of modern marketing operations, enabling brands to achieve more with less effort, adapt to change without sacrificing quality, and maintain the kind of consistent, professional presence that drives recognition, engagement, and loyalty, key ingredients for sustained success in today's highly competitive and visually driven marketplace.